He's the giant Canada goose. That's the male right there, and that's the female. The male and the female. There they go. Ooh, some big gar fish right there. Alligator gars. 2 spotted gars right here. Ooh, that's one right there. See that? Oh, 2 of them. 2 of them. They're swimming such a synchronized swim that. Three smaller culverts here and those 2 big ones. Now these smaller ones, they don't have water inside of them from what I can tell, but they do have this big tree log jamming it, blocking the entry path from this side. But as I look up in there, it's dry on the bottom, so that's pretty cool. That means you could get up in there and have a picnic if you wanted to. Of course, it might be better up on top, but if you wanted to, get away from the sun, you could go in there and stay dry. Whereas these 2 bigger culverts, they are down on a lower level where they are wet at the bottom. I'll show you. We were able to see that on the way here. See, this is the waters. It's at the water level, the bottom of the culverts. So you can't go in there without getting your butt wet if you were to sit down. But yeah. Pretty area, nice feature. Look at that spotted gar right there. Right there. I'll try to get a little closer to it for y'all. Yes, there's 2 of them. 2 spotted gars, one on top of the other. Right there. And there they go off into the algae. We're floating on top of them. Yeah, right there. Right there, y'all. You see that? Right under the water. Pretty cool. Oh, okay. That's a big male right there. They are starting to feel distressed. I'm stuck on a log. There they go, and there they go. Yeah. That's no fun. Ooh. Oh, big turtle. I almost got it. That was awesome. I missed it though. Oh, almost caught a turtle. It was just so big. I'm glad I didn't tip over, y'all. I tried so hard to get it, I almost tipped into the water. Oh, the big turtle swimming. Tried to grab it and pull it up, but it was just too slippery for me. Here come the geese again. Wow, look at them right over us, flying right over us. That's pretty awesome. Glad they didn't poop on me though. They were flying pretty low, right over me. Geese don't have the best sphincter control, so they could just poop at any point in time. Land right on me when they're coming over me like that. Gotta watch out.